Hey Eric, you know this neighborhood well, right?
Yeah, pretty well. Why?
My cousin is visiting tomorrow, and she asked me how to get to the train station from my house. I'm not sure how to explain it clearly.
No problem. Let's practice. Where is your house again?
It's on Maple Street, near the bakery.
Okay, then here's how she can get to the train station. First, she should go straight for 2 blocks.
Got it. Then what?
After that, tell her to turn right at the traffic light.
Right at the light. Okay.
Then, keep going straight until she sees the gas station. The train station is right across the street from it.
That's a good way to explain it. Should I tell her how long it takes?
Yes, it's about a 10-minute walk from your place.
Perfect. What if she gets lost?
Just tell her to ask someone, "Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?" Most people are happy to help.
That's true. What are some other helpful phrases?
She can say, "Is it far from here?" Or, "Can you show me on the map?"
That's useful. What if she wants to go to the museum after the train station?
From the train station, it's easy. She just needs to turn left, walk 2 blocks, and the museum is next to the big library.
Awesome. I'll write that down. By the way, I always mix up turn left and turn right when giving directions.
It happens to everyone. Just remember, left is the hand you don't write with, if you're right-handed.
Good tip. Thanks, Eric. Now I feel more confident giving directions.
Anytime. We can practice more if you want. You can give me directions next.
Great idea. Let me think of a place to send you.